What's going on, everyone? Here with another video. Now look what I made. This is just the 18650 battery charger, designed by me in Fusion 360. Alright, so let's get started. What you're going to need is a 3D printer and a TP4056 chip. Alright, let's jump into Fusion 360. I started by designing this 3-part battery charger, just easier for me to run the wires through it. Now let's throw this on the 3D printer. Check this out. This is such a perfect print. So I started putting everything together. Alright, so now that we got everything wired, we're going to give it a quick test. And now everything's working, put it all together, and there it is. Thanks for watching Look What I Made TV. If you're interested in getting this file, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.